What's up, everybody? You're in the garage with Dave today. Today, I'm going to be changing out my factory RSX Type S radio. It's the car behind me. And the RSX Type S came with the Bose system, which doesn't sound too bad. Not having Bluetooth is like really killing me right now. So, let's go over here to things that I bought already, because I knew I was going to be doing this. So I just got myself up on Amazon. Alright, number one thing you gotta have when you're gonna change the radio in your RSX. You're gonna need one of these. This is the dash plate right here. This is so that you can install a radio in that space. Because you see it's not a regular, double dim. I'll put the price in what I paid for it. It wasn't much. Might have been like 15 bucks. Get it on Amazon. You have it in there too. Alright, that's number one. Number two, the most important thing installing a radio. You're gonna need the stereo harness. Pretty much just plugs into your factory harness and allows you to connect the harness, which is gonna come from the back of your radio, together so that you don't cut any of the factory wires. Don't be a douchebag. Don't cut the factory wires. Spend the $5. That also came from Amazon. Alright, first thing you're gonna need to do is, this is the harness that came with the radio that I'm hooking up. It's short as shit. If I would have known this, I probably would have ordered another one of these. You can order these new. You're not stuck with the one that came with the radio. You just go on, type in the model number, and most of the time you can get these things brand new. I've done it before. And we're just gonna strip them back, and you're just gonna pull off. So you get a clean. See if you can see that. So you get a clean cut on just the plastic that's around the copper wire. You're going to take that, and I like to twist them, get all the strands together. And then you're going to move on. You move on to the next one. Okay, you have a total of 13 wires here. So what I suggest is that you get your electrical tape out, and you cut 13 small squares if you're going to use electrical tape to do this. You can solder, you can use your heat shrink tubes. I don't have too much confidence in this kenwood that I was given. I don't think it's going to last in this car, for me personally, more than 2 weeks to a month before I change it. So I'm just going to do the electrical tape route. Connect these two wires together.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright, if you're going to want to do this the right way, you're going to want to get one of those plastic pry tools. And from what I can see, they've got a little indent right here. Looks like somebody tried taking them out before. You're going to want to stick something there and pop it out. So that's where we're going to start. Okay, once you get it out, you're going to want to unclip this right here. That's for your accessory plug right there, 12-volt accessory. Get that out the way. Do that now. Let me try to do it with one hand. There you go. Got that out the way. Okay, once you get those two screws out, you want to put your hand behind the radio. Push it out forward. There's 4 clips that hold the faceplate, and then the whole thing just slides right out. Alright, so we're going to get this unhooked. It's still plugged in back here, so I'm going to reach back here, unplug it, and then pull this whole thing out of the dash. Alright, you're going to want to make sure you got your hazard light switch out. Together just how I suspected. You're gonna need to take the brackets off your old one. Alright, what is that? Is that an 8? Let me get the tools together and we'll get those up. Alright, these are the 3 clips right here that you're going to need to fit onto the back of your new faceplate. Alright, you see there's those little teeth right there, so just going to put them over that. Squeeze them closed. Alright, and you're done. And then you can still put those 2 screws back in if you want to secure it, if you think somebody's going to steal it, which if you got a radio like mine's, chances are they're not. And if they do, then you say thank you, please leave those 3 clips for me so I could get another faceplate. Alright, this should be pretty simple. We're just going to take that, put it into here, and just make sure you connect these 3 cables. You got your antenna, your hazard lights, and the radio. Plug those all 3 in, snap it in, and then we're done here. If you guys found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything, just don't leave it down in the comments. And I'm out. See you guys later.